Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use OBS and set it up from the part of downloading it and trying to record something. So let's get started. So you want to go to Google and type OBS. So it's an open broadcaster software, OBS. You want to hit download. And now you have three options: Windows, Mac and Linux. So if you're on Mac, you're gonna press it and the version of download and the download installer will change. So I'm gonna download for Windows, download installer, then it's downloading. It started. And after it's downloaded, you're gonna run it and install it. So after downloading it, you're gonna go to OBS and launch it. After launching the app, the screen would be like this. So for screen recording, you're gonna go to sources and it's gonna be empty. So you wanna click the plus button and you're gonna add. So you're gonna go to display capture. You can create a new one or add an existing one. Because it's now installed, I'm gonna create one and call it screen. Press OK, and this is my screen that's gonna be recorded. And if you have more than one monitor, you're gonna go and click the one. So OK, and here I am recording my screen. So sometimes you don't want to record the whole screen. You grab it and take it out. So my down bar is not recorded like this. And sometimes you want to add a camera for live streaming. You're gonna go to the video capture device and let's keep it by default. Don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And you go to devices, you check the camera that you're using, and you can make a virtual camera for the effect that you want to add in the stream. So I'm gonna keep virtual camera. You can play with the settings, then press OK. So I want to rescale it, drag and resize it like this. You can put it anywhere. I'm gonna put it over here. And then you have two sources. You can add another source, any other source that you want, maybe a browser or an image slide or any text. So I'm gonna add a group. It's like a folder. I'm gonna keep it default. Then what you can do is drag whatever source you want and put it under the group. So you would have this video capture device under this folder. So if you wanna hide it, it's hidden now, and here it is. And sometimes you want to add the screen above the video capture or any other stuff. So you can drag it and put it under the screen when you can see this white line, then let it go. Or you can press whatever one you're gonna change it and use these two arrows for move up or move down. So I want to move it down, so my video capture device is gonna be seen. So I will move it down and it's back over here. And that's it all for the sources. Now for the audio mixer is where you can control the audio of a section of or of a web page. So for my desktop I keep everything on default, but if you are sharing a screen on the web, like here, let me show you on a browser or a web capture, sometimes there is an audio, so you would like decrease the volume or increase it as you like, or if this layout doesn't match what you want, you can change it to a vertical and it would be like this, but I'm gonna keep it on default. Now I'm gonna talk about the control. So about the control, you have a start streaming. So if you want to start streaming, you're gonna click it, and for the first time when you launch it, it's gonna get like this. So you're gonna open settings, and if you want to start, this is the default one. So if you are in English, this is for the app for OBS, so you can change it from English to another language. And the theme, I'm gonna keep it dark, but you can change it to white. And all the output, you can keep these on default, but if you wanna record the stream that you are doing, you can tick these, and you can go through over these alone. They are self-explained. Now for the stream, if you wanna what service you're gonna stream on, you have some options, and you can make custom or show all. So, and then you want to connect your account, or you can use a stream key to connect directly. And for the output, when you record, you have the recording path. I keep it to videos, and recording quality, I keep it on default, but the most important thing is the recording format. I keep it in MKV format and not MP4, and that's why, because sometimes I shoot or record long videos, so it takes maybe 3-4 hours, and you don't know when OBS or your laptop or console freezes or crashes. So if my OBS crashes suddenly and stops recording, all the footage that I've recorded are kept safe, and I'm gonna find them in the video file. But if it is recorded in MP4, you're gonna lose all your recordings. Then you're gonna go to audio. You're gonna keep these on default unless you want to change something. The video also, I keep it in 1920 by 1080p. You can change the ratio, and I keep the same resolution for the output. And for frames per second, you can change this, and I keep it on the highest, which is 60 frames per second. Now hotkeys, I don't do much in those, so if you want to add something, remove something, it's here. Now the most important thing, which is the start recording. So when you start recording, you're gonna press it and start recording, and you want to end the stream or stop recording, you're gonna press stop recording, which is like this. Stop recording, you're gonna press it. So if you have a virtual camera, you can press it and display it, and if you want to change the layout of the studio mode, just press it. As you see, you can add transition, cuts, fade, and blank. This is if you want in future uses. And settings, which we just explained in 1 minute before. Here everything is, and you have exit, which is self-explained. And guys, before we saved our video as an MKV file, let me show you where. So it's output, and because we have it as MKV file, we have to render it and change it to an MP4 file or whatever you want. So when editing it, or your systems can read it. So you want to go to File, you want to go to Remix Recordings, then a small screen will pop up. So you want to specify which video you recorded. I'm gonna go to this video that I've just recorded, and it renames it the date, the time, and it specifies which time. So I'm gonna open it. You can remix more videos at the same time. So the target file is this one. It's gonna change to MP4 and you're gonna remix it, and it doesn't take much. Recording remixed. Okay, I'm gonna close, then go to my file, and I have two videos now. Let me show you. One is MP4 file and the other one is MKV file of same length and same size. Before I end this video, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you want to recommend something for the future or a type of video you want to watch, make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for future videos. Peace.